when I knew I could start earning money creating videos. Let's get into it. I'm gonna stop singing now. But anyway, hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Anthony Allen Edits, the YouTube channel that is all about your media editing so that you can learn how to edit your media and tell the stories that you want to tell in the way that you want to tell them. And here in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a snippet from a podcast. I sat down with It's Jack Cole and we basically bounced ideas from each other based on our careers, which we spoke about freelance video editing, we spoke about sites like Upwork, we spoke about my career so far, we spoke about Jack's career. It's a really great podcast and it's really worth checking that out. So here in this video, I'm going to give you a snippet of that focuses on basically when I knew I could make money creating videos and editing videos. There is a specific time and things that I was going through at the time that made me understand the value behind the videos that I was creating. So if you've ever wondered while you've been watching my YouTube channel how and when I knew that I could make a career out of creating videos, you're about to get a snippet of that information here coming right up.
Wow. It's amazing. So that's over about 10 years, man. And I think it's probably about the span of my career so far as well. And I think the thing that pops out to me is how long were you a video creator, right? Before you started thinking this was something you were going to make money with and getting into the freelance thing. Because that's two different things right there, right? There's a lot of people who's video creators, right? There's a lot of people who's video creators. There's not that many who've been able to even notice that you can make money from it, let alone turn it into a full-time thing. So how long were you doing it before you kind of started realizing, you know what, there's actually opportunity here for potentially a career path, not just like a hobby?
I think. Well, actually, I always thought it was a career path. The reason why is because the first few jobs that I got that I'd done for free were for a world welterweight kickboxing champion and a 4-time kickboxing champion within my local area. So I found the world welterweight kickboxing champion Simon Akufo-Tete lived right up the road from where I lived, and he went to the gym where the 4-time world kickboxing champion Cash the Flash Gill trained. And they didn't have any like sort of promotion, and they were hosting these massive charity events and kickboxing events and stuff, and they didn't have any media coverage. Meanwhile, I was already remixing footage myself before I even had access to a camera at college or anything like that. I was already learning how to remix footage, and I would create like, you know, if you remember VCRs. I used to set a reminder on my TeleWest TV to turn on a show or a film that I wanted to record. And basically what I would do is record snippets and create one big linear story. And what I would do with that is then watch that linear story on TV once I've recorded it to a videotape, and then sort of write scripts to it. And that was when it was a hobby, and that's how it transitioned when I found Simon into this is where I think I can make a career with this, because it was, you know, I had a YouTube channel back then when YouTube started on the come up, and the work that I'd done for Simon I would upload to YouTube and realised, hold on, this is taking off. This is getting Simon ticket sales. This is helping that event earn
You're seeing
more
the
money.
impact.
And I was seeing the impact of what I was doing. So at that point, I think that was when I was like, okay, I've got this dream, I've got this talent, I know what I want to do with it. I've finally got a piece of editing software rather than remixing and doing that pirate stuff.
Of course.
I had Sony Vegas.
Cool. That's what I started with as well, man.
That's it. I started with Sony Vegas. Realised that there was something called Final Cut Pro, but I wasn't on that just yet. Started on Sony Vegas, and at that point, with making the videos for Simon with Sony Vegas, that is when I knew that it was definitely a career move that I wanted to go into, wanted to progress with, wanted to go further.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because I have uploads here for you every single day, and it will definitely help you with your media and or YouTube career, as I will be giving away knowledge that will help you to tell the stories that you want to tell with your media in the way that you want to tell them. So that's a good reason to hit the sub button and that notification bell so you do not miss a single upload. I have an upload here tomorrow. It's definitely worth checking out as well, especially if you've enjoyed this one. And if you've enjoyed this upload, give me a thumbs up so that I know that you've enjoyed it and it's the type of content that you want to see here on this channel. And answer the question down in the comment section. I always drop you a question down in the comment section so that I can learn more about you, so that I can provide the type of content that you need to help you with your media and or YouTube career. So with that all said now, I'll see you in the next upload here on Anthony Allen Edits. Peace, and see you in the next one, man.